Okay, so here's the question you were asking about. I'm going to graph the first guy in red and the second guy in blue. So let me see here. I have your work here. So it says you have 808 and 10.90. So yes, this will cross at 0, 8 and 10.67, I believe. We'll do 32. 32 divided by 3. So we had 10.67, comma 0. So if I graph them, this is not what you're going to actually graph as your answer. I'm just going to graph this so you can see what we're doing. So from 0, whoops, 0, 8 to 10.6, comma 0. Right about there. Okay, we'll shade inside that. Now I'll graph. Oh, let me flip these. I'll make this one blue. My mistake. And this will be blue, and then the other won't be red. That makes more sense. So this one's going to cross at 0, 25 and 5, 0. So from 5, 0 up to 0, 25, somewhere way up here. It doesn't really matter. Oh, sorry about that. So it's going to look something like, doesn't really matter what it looks like, something like that. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to figure out where these two lines cross. I want to find this point of intersection. Okay. I know this point. I know this point. This is 0, 0. I need to find the point of intersection, and I'm going to graph that polygon like that. So I want to figure out where these two lines meet. So I'm going to write them out. 3x plus 4y equals 32. And 5x plus y equals 25. So I'm going to solve this system using any method. I'm going to use elimination. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -4. So I get negative 20x minus 4y equals negative 100. Now I can just take this top equation. Whoops, I just want the top. Whatever, I'll rewrite it. That's fine. I'm going to rewrite the top. 3x plus 4y equals 32. Now I'll add them together, and the y should cancel out. I have 3x and negative 20x. It's negative 17x. 4y and negative 4y, they cross out. 32 and negative 100 is negative 68. So if I divide both sides by negative 17, I get x equals 4. My graph looks pretty good so far. The x value is 4. So now I want to find the y value. Plug 4 back into either equation. I'll plug it into the second one. 5 times 4 is 20 plus y equals 25. Oh, wow, my graph is really good. I get y equals 5. So this coordinate here is 4, 5. It was almost spot on. So I'm just going to graph this thing, just the polygon of overlap. I'm just graphing this thing. So I'm going to go from 0, 0 to 0, 8 to 4, 5 to 5, 0 and back. So looking at this, I'm going to go from 0, 0 to 0, 8, that, to 4, 5 to 5, 0, and then back. And that's going to be your answer. Okay. If you submit that, it'll give you full credit. It just wants the final overlap polygon.